All right, so my man Dad Off Duty on Instagram says, "How do you
Love Dad
parent?"
Off.
He's fly dude. This is his question
What's up,
too.
boy?
How do you parent and still find time to stay up on what's hot? You know, Mr. Fashion Police.
I don't never. I try not to.
Wait,
miss a
stay on
beat.
what's hot. What like?
Like just
Fashion?
what's hot, like stay.
that's
I think where his
hard.
question is coming from is like you got stuff going on,
Damn.
you got all this stuff, so you don't like. You
try-
probably don't go to
Because
movies
parenting
and
make
all
you
that
keep
stuff.
your head down.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what he
it
said.
does.
Yeah, yeah.
We
Damn,
change
it
You
does.
worried about
the world.
bills,
Oh man,
taking care of responsibility. You're not worried about what's the popping
What's
song,
hot.
what's the popping sneaker, what's the popping
Yeah.
outfit. Me personally, I have a niece. I have a younger niece, Sanaya, and I love her. She keeps me relevant. She'll tell me like, Uncle Kev, those are not hot right now. Uncle Kev, that's not what we doing right now.
You
This
cheat off
Yachty
your-
and
you cheat-
Puma.
you cheat off
like
your
when I was
niece.
growing up, Puma wasn't popping.
It wasn't.
When I was growing
wait
up.
for Jamaicans, we used to. That was the
Nah, it was not for Jamaicans, but me, I'm American and Jamaican, so I'm
Yeah.
like both. So it wasn't really popular for me. I was Nike, straight up.
Yeah.
Nike.
All day.
Right now, Puma's popular, so she like, yo, Kevin, you can get Puma. So I'm
All
like,
right, all right, cool. So you cheat off your
I
you cheat
cheat
off
on my
your
niece.
niece.
But
I
you,
feel
I
my
mean,
needs.
so what you're saying is now that means only the young people are dictating what's hot.
Oh.
My concept is if you're a cool dude, you're gonna be cool in
Okay.
every
Ever.
transition.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I think it's it's super cool what we're doing, what the Dad Gang is doing,
No
because
doubt.
we're dads.
Yeah.
What's hot is what we're doing. Y'all,
Love
you know what I
that.
mean? The
Love
young
that.
kids got what's hot for y'all. They might rock their Pumas or whatever. But we dads. I'm gonna show y'all the illest dad bag. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But whatever we doing, we gotta bring some cool to our generation always and maintain that.
So you saying we're the trendsetters?
We are the
set-
trends. We
set
we set
poppin'
what's
and
hot.
what's hot right now.
Absolutely.
All right.
Now, if you hot, you're not looking for what's hot.
You right?
That's a fact.
Feel me?
I'm with you on that. I ain't even gonna
You're
say
right.
nothing. I'm with you on that.
Y'all want me to drop the mic? It's kind of on
Drop
the
it,
thing.
yeah.
I would drop the mic, but it's
Just
here's where I
tip it over, bro. Like
Hey,
I'm with
I ain't
you
even
on
gonna
that.
lie. I cheat off of everybody I be around. I ain't the super like fashionable guy. I see somebody be like, oh, that's a dope hat. Let me go Google that hat.
Yeah,
That's
Dad,
all.
I don't
But
even
let me
care
go.
anymore.
exactly.
I don't care. I'm gonna let you know. I don't care.
That's why we the
Yeah.
I
trendsetters,
don't
right?
care.
'Cause
you can't
I got other
care.
stuff
you
to
can-
worry
I
about.
You already.
I'm super
I got
straight.
other stuff to
Profit,
worry about.
I'm over
profitability
here.
over
I'm over
popularity.
here making.
You know what I'm
We're
saying?
building
That's it, bro.
children.
That's
We're not
it.
wearing
What's
brands.
hot?
We wearing our own brand. So you know what I mean? This is
Popularity.
now.
Is this new kid I put out? I just put out 2 new kids.
Nah, I mean,
I want y'all to cop the 2 new kids. That's 2 fresh kids I put out.
Yo,
just dropped some 9
Drop
months
2
ago.
We was in the lab cooking up 2 hot ones.
that's a soundbite. That's fine.